Now let's talk about Young Buck, 50 Cent and T.I. Because Young Buck just made it clear he's rolling with 50 Cent over T.I. in a potential Verzuz battle. According to Buck, 50 has way too many classic hits that everybody knows off the top. He believes those big anthems would give 50 the clear edge if this matchup ever happened. But let's be real, T.I. also has a crazy catalog and helped shape the entire trap era, so this battle could be a lot closer than people think. So the real question is, who you got winning if this Verzuz really went down, 50 Cent or T.I.? Let me know your thoughts.
Now, who do you think will actually win the Verzuz battle?
Honestly, man, JG, I gotta stick with the home team. I gotta stick with 50. Not just because I come from the whole G Unit era. Honestly, it's just because I feel like, you know, there's a lot of records that we know immediately that Tip got. But 50 got a lot of hits.
Buck basically made the point that when it comes to a Verzuz, it's not just about who's lyrical or who had a bigger impact in their region. It's about the records that the entire world recognizes. And in his opinion, 50 Cent's catalog is full of those undeniable anthems. From street records to club bangers to radio smashes, Buck believes 50 has the advantage because his music crosses different audiences and generations.